Teka lang mag-video. Sabi ng foreigner, you're gonna be world famous. Why? I don't know. Ayan sila mag-asawa. Hello! Thank you. Dan. Yes.
Okay. So are you from here?
From National Library po.
Oh, okay.
Kasi we have a seminar,
Oh, you have a seminar.
convention.
Okay. So you're staying here, huh?
No, just a one day.
Oh, wow.
Ah, okay.
You
So
better
one
get
day
all those
event.
pictures in one day.
Yes.
Yes.
This is my second time to enter the place.
So tell me, what's new in National Library?
What's new in our office is the gallery.
Okay.
We have this gallery of historical manuscripts.
Oh, nice.
Wow. Okay.
Because the last time we hide these materials
Yep.
from the general public.
Okay.
But now we open it to the general public and we have this this gallery.
Do you keep it in a glass case?
Yes.
Yeah. So nobody can touch it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
Before it is in the vault,
Right.
like the No
Yeah.
Limitang Hari, El
so
Filibusterismo.
those are the one that you will see there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I would like to
So that
see
is at the fourth
Okay.
floor of our office. Fourth.
Yeah, fourth floor. Okay. Because
You can see the original copy of the manuscripts of
Manuscripts.
No Limitang Hari, El Filibusterismo,
Seriously?
and a lot more. Like maps of the Philippines na mga luma.
Oh,
Can you take
wow.
pictures through the glass?
Yes.
Oh, I would like to see that. Is there a fee to get?
No.
Oh my goodness! Because we are planning to go, you know,
Sightseeing.
sightseeing today, and I think so. You're open,
So you're
right?
staying here, ma'am?
Huh?
Yes.
You're staying here.
Yeah.
Yes.
And National Library is just at
Just
the
walk.
Calao Street.
Yeah.
No walk.
Hindi, no
Masyado
walk.
malayo.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oo.
No.
For ano lang,
We could be able
Pero
to get
mas-
a grab. Yeah.
maybe. Kasi it's just at the back of the Luneta Park.
Oh wow.
Oo. Pero if you can walk, it can be.
Yeah, perhaps.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I think I would like to see that. Yeah.
Yes.
You know,
Kasi
I
that,
think-
this is the first time that we opened that to the general public.
So
the last
since
time it
when?
was hidden.
When was the time that you?
It is
did that?
this year only.
Only this year.
Mm-mm.
Ma'am, sir?
Yeah.
My companion in
US?
United States.
from the
Oh, yeah.
Supreme
Yeah,
Court.
South
South
Dakota.
Dakota.
South Dakota. My sister is in
I work in the National Library. She works in
Oh,
the
Illinois.
Supreme Court.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
okay.
pretty close to. We're
Great.
South Dakota, and you go right across, and then there's Illinois.
I'm having a
Okay.
video.
Yeah.
South Dakota. So you're just
Yeah.
having it
That's
for
Cowboys. Cowboys.
uh,
Navy.
just a
Yeah.
vacation?
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yeah, we're leaving on the 16th. So,
What's your province?
Ibay kami, we have some properties sa Valenzuela.
Mm.
So, my family actually, I was born here. Of course.
Manila.
Manila ka, ma'am?
No province.
Well, my father, ang province niya, Quezon.
Quezon.
Ito, pero hindi kami lumakigaw. We were
Manila talaga.
talagang Manila.
10 o'clock pa yung convention namin, kaya nagpasyal kami.
Yeah, so we were going.
sabi ko nga akit kami doon sa taas.
There's a viewing deck over there.
Okay.
Yeah. And
So,
that is what for? It's the Manila view.
Viewing
Manila
deck
view.
for the Manila Bay.
Manila Bay.
There, Manila Bay.
Saan ang ano yan?
Dito daw. Sa taas. Tara, baka gusto niyo mo.
You can stroll around
So you're
also.
going there?
Yes.
Okay. Well, thanks for the information. I really like that. And I remember because I finished my college here.
Where?
Uh, sa Araneta.
Araneta.
De La Salle. De La
Yeah,
Salle,
De La Salle
Araneta.
na ngayon. And then, I remember I did my research thesis. We went to
National Library.
Yeah.
Open ngayon.
Baka during that time, our office is dilapidated. But
it's-
now, sus napakaganda.
Napakaganda
Oh,
na.
Yes.
Wow.
Para ka din pumunta sa Manila Hotel.
Okay.
Pag enter mo sa lobby,
Mga
miss.
museum, diba?
Oo.
Pasyal niyo si sir
Pero
sa mga
nakapasyal na pala siya
museum
sa
na
Yeah, we
office.
will do that. My,
Okay.
my niece is actually coming and she's helping us to navigate Metro, at least Manila.
Make the most out of it, sir.
Absolutely.
Because you can enjoy the...
So you're going
Manila.
back to US when?
Sa 16.
16.
We're just here for, I think, 21 days.
Wow, 21 days.
So
Yan ang
you've
masyado
been there
matagal.
to other places?
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
Boracay?
Oh, yeah.
Palawan?
No,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
this,
Not
not this
Palawan.
time.
Not Palawan.
Not this
Yeah,
time.
because he got sick. So,
Oh,
Siargao, the best.
because it's
Yeah, Sharky.
Siargao.
Siargao.
yeah, I know. Yeah. Just so many places you could actually visit in the Philippines. But
Yes.
Philippines is really getting so
Expensive.
Oh.
That's
Really
Unlike
have to
before.
book ahead.
Even the hotel, because the December,
Yeah.
it's very rare that you could be able to get kind of like below $300. And it was,
If I may ask, how much is per night at the Manila Hotel?
I think, over $200.
$200.
Yeah,
10,000?
Because we just come here free.
yeah. I
Because
think
we are
at
going
least
to
our
attend the
government-
seminar.
A
Yeah,
government
it's
activity.
paid by, yeah.
At least, I think it's 270 or something.
270. Kwentahin ko yun mamaya.
Yeah, I know. You should book ahead kasi so that medyo cheaper pa.
But, yeah,
If you really want
Eh,
to.
nag-book siya ahead yata.
Ha?
Si Madam.
Ano na?
Nag-book kayo ahead.
No, we use actually our business American Express
mga ganun naman
credits,
sila.
so we got some credits, but still we paid some.
Ganda ng venue. So, nagka-interviewhan pa kami dito.
Oo nga eh. Actually, I'm Janet pala. Janet Pado. Baka maano kayo.
Yeah, hey, Janet.
Dan.
Dan.
Okay,
Janet.
my name is Nicole Robeck, and yes,
Hi, sir.
yeah.
Mike.
So we own a business in the United States.
Wow.
It's kind of like a substance use disorder counseling agency. So I don't think you have something like that here in
The Philippines.
I really wanted to have that kind of outpatient program.
So, you're a doctor, ma'am?
Huh?
You're a doctor?
No, I have a master's degree in addiction studies.
Addiction studies?
Yeah, addiction studies. Yes.
Addiction of what? Drugs?
Well, there's two kinds of addiction.
Oh, what addiction?
Non-substance and
Ala, ba't alam na alam mo ako? Hindi ko alam.
Siyempre, of course. That's what Filipino, we are actually have a good
Oh.
knowledge. So, and I don't think we have that. I wish we could.
So, you're the one you're the one who is going to put up
Yeah,
such kind of
I was telling
Center?
my family, I'm willing to train people because I could not be here, but at
Oh.
least as Filipino, you have that desire. If I actually being used in the United States to help people, why not here?
well, it's very hard to find those people.
Yeah,
And you are far. You're in the US.
yeah, you're right.
So, we're gonna go there.
Akit po muna kayo.
Akas muna kami.
Salamat
Nice
sa
sitting.
talk.
I'm
It's
done.
already
Salamat sa
enjoyable.
talk.
Already.
Yeah, enjoy your
Enjoy also. You're swimming.
Oh,
You don't have your swimsuit.
well, I do, but this is not perhaps tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, nice talking.
Bye-bye. Ala, salamat na.
Ang aga nag-iinit po.
Super chika. Kuya, gusto namin pumunta doon sa taas.
Pwede, di ba?
10 o'clock pa naman yung convention eh. We can still roam around the place.
Masyal muna kami. Pag mamay-ari muna namin itong
Ala, hinubad ko na yung jacket ko kasi it's too hot.
Di ba kanina nagreklamo ako ng lamig?
Ala, tignan mo, my video is already 9
Huwag naman nakalagay.
9 minutes. Ala, mataas pa.
Pwede naman siguro.
Mataas pa siya.
Oo.
Ang cushion. Bawal
Or gusto ko
dumaan.
doon?
Sige daw.
Kasi hindi naman
Sige, okay
natin
lang.
pangalan eh.
Wet floor kasi. Hindi naman na wet eh. Super chika tayo doon sa foreigner. Smio. Baka may anak na gwapo yun.
Ayan lang. Wala pa, asa naman ang pinakadaanan nito?
Taiwan.
Sarado man.
Hinalagin na.
Baka nagpapatulog.
Ay, ito ara oh.
Oh my God.
Kaya init diri ay.
Kita lang naman ang
Oh, tignan mo, ang taas ng building.
restricted area.
Restricted for
Ay,
your
bakit
safety.
restricted? Asa man ta mga lagi? Oh my
Sa
God.
taas pa man.
Wala Wala naman di. Ay,
Sa taas pa.
wala nang daanan. Restricted eh. Yun lang ata yung may harang doon.
Ay, hindi siya view deck.
Ano yung kapatid? Yung doon lang.
Asan?
Yung doon na yung may harang yung sa second.
Ay, oo.
Yun na to.
Hindi siya view deck.
Yun lang doon lang tayo oh. Supposedly doon.
Ah, baka doon dadaan.
Oo, doon lang tayo.
Actually, hindi siya view deck. Kasi ano siya eh, oh.
Ganyan na.
Oo, may mga...
Diyan na lang muna na lang tayo.
Ano ba dyan? Ay, oo, hindi. Hindi siya.
Oh Lord. So hot.
Back to the basic. Gusto kong tikahin yung asawa ng foreigner. Diyan, oh, diyan. Init, grabe siya. Super pawis. Ah, diyan. Caution. Ano ba tuloy? Naku, ang init pa naman. Ayun, oh, mayroon, oh. Ah, dapat doon.
Doon.
Kasi, oh, bawal, oh. Ayan, oh, may caution na eh. Ayan na nga, Manila Bay na nga siya. Oh. Hindi ba pwedeng, lumusot? Hindi pwede lumusot dito? May nakakita ba? Pwede naman. Ayan, oh.
Sinabi na, uy,
Ay, this is Manila Bay.
yeah.
Shit.
Oh my God. I will picture you. You will picture me.
Ala, nag-English na yung tadi maayo. Si tag-English. Ala, Manila Bay nga siya.
Picturean kita.
Grabe.
Dali na. Kahit
Ayun, oh.
mayroong opportunity nito, no?
This is Manila Bay already. Likod ng Manila Hotel pala. Ito, this is Manila Hotel. Anyway, ang seminar namin is 10 o'clock pa. Kaya nag-roam around the place. Maganda naman po sa. Dito pala view deck pala to.
Yes. Parang gusto ko dito, sir. Anuhan mo ako.
Ha?
Sige na, damay mo na ako.
Picturean ka ta. Tapos sa video eh.